you've seen many variations of Negronis. White Negroni, then you can change the spirit a little bit, make a Boulevardier. But today's variation is going to be a little special. We're not skewing too far from the recipe, but we're adding something. We're adding some fruit because it is summer after all. So what fruit are we adding? Well, a couple days ago, we were at the local produce stand, and I saw something very unusual, something I'd never seen before. What was that? So they had Toka plums. If you don't know what that is, I'll tell you what was written on the card. Bubblegum plums. And guess what? They taste like bubblegum. Now, let's make this drink. First, you're gonna wanna take a bunch of mint and throw it in your mixing glass, and then you can throw the full bubblegum plum in there, or whatever plum you're using, that's fine. Then we're gonna muddle. And remember, like I said, you can use any stone fruit, it doesn't have to be with bubblegum plum. Next, we're gonna start adding our booze. This is 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. The recipe for Negroni is really easy. It's usually just a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio of all your liquors. And then if you have any additional ingredients, you would just follow your recipe. Next, you're gonna add 1 ounce of Campari. You could substitute Aperol for this as well. That's just gonna make it a little bit sweeter and a little less bitter. But with the bubblegum plum, obviously the bitterness really works. Next, we're gonna be adding 1 ounce of our gin. And with the gin, you just want something that's not super heavy juniper. Now we're pouring that in, obviously. We're gonna be adding our ice next. You don't have to fill the glass, halfway is fine. But then we're gonna stir. And we're gonna speed it up real nice right now. Till the end. So put your Hawthorne strainer on, or whatever kind of strainer you have. Throw in a big ice cube into a rocks glass, and then we're pouring. There we go, guys. There's our Negroni. A bubblegum plum Negroni. Just for everybody. So what'd you think of the Negroni? Did you like the addition of the plum? I did. Here it is right here. See this little bad boy? They're very small, but man, do they pack a punch. Now obviously you get the Campari first. Campari is like the bitter part that kind of sticks on the back of your tongue. Malort. Then the vermouth comes in with a little sweetness. There's some floral hits from the gin because the botanist is really nice at doing that. Then the bubblegum layer comes over top and it kind of wraps everything up. It's very, very nice. If you guys can find bubblegum plums, you should definitely try this out because why not? If you guys have any other fruit that you add to this, let me know. Maybe we'll try it. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell. We really appreciate that. And it's Friday, guys. Cheers. We'll see you later. See you next week.